Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and today I'm going to teach you a secret on how to get your CDL license before 2023. That's right, I said before 2023. Currently we're shooting this in November of 2022, which means we only have about a 2-month time period in order to get your CDL license. You may be thinking, 2 months to get my CDL license, John? That's going to be easy. Unfortunately, no. There's a huge amount of people who want to get a CDL license, and most of the schools that you're going to be looking at are going to be backed up. Even some of our locations currently have about a 2-month waiting period before you can actually start your training. I've heard schools that currently in the month of November cannot start any new training until February or March of next year. Things are just going to get backed up, which means it's going to delay the ability to actually get your CDL license. But I do have a secret for you. There is a special way that you can get your CDL license before this year ends up. Are you ready to listen to the secret? Come in closer. Now don't be telling too many people about this, because once the secret's out, that means everything else is going to be delayed as well. So if you want to get your CDL license before this year is up and before 2023, and maybe you want this for your own, for Santa Claus to deliver you that CDL license come Christmas time, then you must go to our brand new location in Jackson, New Jersey. Because they're brand new, their classes have not filled up fully yet, which means that you can actually get everything started in as little as 4 weeks from start to finish. So if you're interested in that, you definitely want to give them a call right over here, or check out our website at CDLDrivingAcademy.com. You're going to go to our contact us page, find the Jackson location itself, and all their contact information is right there. They're open up 7 days a week. They have the same exact training program that we have, but it's its own franchise location, which means I don't own it myself. None of the team members are working there that actually work for the Linden location, but they have been approved by me, they've been trained by me and the team, and they will show you the quality service that you deserve. But one of the perks are you can actually get things in and out much faster as long as you commit yourself, because they do have spots. There's very limited spots that are available, but they have a few spots left. So depending on when you watch this video might be the difference between you getting your CDL license quickly before this year is up, or having to wait till next year like everybody else looking to get that CDL license. So if you are interested in learning more, you definitely want to give our team a call at this number right over here below, or check out our website at CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Again, that's CDLDrivingAcademy.com. The other thing to kind of push you over the edge, there are going to be a big price increase coming up in 2023 for everybody. That being said, you want to lock yourself in on 2022 pricing before that big pop comes up, because you're going to be very upset with yourself if you don't. All you need is $500 down to get yourself started, and we can work on a payment plan for the rest. So get your license in as little as 4 weeks and get it done before the end of this year. You owe it to yourself. If this was your goal beginning of this year, you only have about 2 months left. So let's get it going. Come on. I'm pushing you. All you got to do is pick up that phone and give our team a call there. And they're more than happy to help you out. So one more time, this is the number to call, or you can go to the website at CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Again, CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Just go to the contact us page, find the location, which is going to be Jackson, New Jersey, and they'll be able to help you out. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.